5 common idioms and practical uses. Let's explore some popular English idioms and how you can use them in daily life. Hit the books. To study hard. I can't go out tonight. I have to hit the books. Finals are next week. Under the weather. Feeling sick. I'm not coming to work today. I'm feeling a bit under the weather. Cost an arm and a leg. Very expensive. That car costs an arm and a leg, but it's totally worth it. Let the cat out of the bag. Reveal a secret. He let the cat out of the bag about her surprise party. Burn the midnight oil. Work late into the night. She's burning the midnight oil to finish her thesis. These idioms can make your conversations more expressive and more engaging. Practice them in real contexts. Write them in your journal, try using them in conversations, or create flashcards with examples.